there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1976 Triumph Tr6 convertible, final year of production. Mimosa yellow, black interior, 4-speed, overdrive, disc wheels, chrome luggage rack. I think it's reading about 94,000 original miles. We'd call this car sort of a good driver condition car. We're going to be posting a driving video a little later, but for now in the booth we're going to be doing this walk around. So this is an original Mimosa yellow car, and it's a final year TR6. It's been painted. It's been painted once, I believe, in its correct original color still. We purchased this car from the East Coast, so pretty good car for being an East Coast car. It's actually a pretty good car. We're seeing a little bit of corrosion here and there, but nothing really horribly, nothing too bad with it. It does have some trailing arm repairs needed, which is very, very typical for a Triumph of this era. On under chassis there, you'll see those on the undercarriage. But let's go around it carefully, panel by panel. Really good kind of glossy, recent paint work. We are seeing a couple little tiny bubbles, a couple little spots down here. But really good panel gap. You can see how attractive it is when I just stand back here from 5 feet. But yeah, pretty recent, glossy, nicely applied paint. But like I was saying, if you really get out the microscope, you can see like this door's got some slight bubbling and a couple little things going on here. So, not an absolutely perfect car as far as the sheet metal, but if you're looking for a final year factory overdrive car, this is really good value. So Mimosa yellow, black top, black interior. It comes with the top boot, the tonneau, all of its original equipment, and like I said, it's under 100,000 miles. So we'll just finish this slow walk around on the body. It's got some really nice meaty new tires fitted. We'll take a look at the windshield. Windshield looks original. It's a little bit roughed up, a little bit weathered, but no serious cracks or anything going on. But like I said, really good gaps on this car. Really nice panel fit all the way around. You can see how crisp and clean all these panel gaps, even the doors fit very, very well, even the hood. So there's the current reg. You can see that it's a New York car. But what this car hugely has going for it is it's a final year, and you can see this O suffix on the VIN plate. That means overdrive, and that's the overdrive switch right here. So we're going to be taking this out for a spin, and we'll be checking that overdrive unit. We'll be checking brakes, gearbox, engine, all that stuff. And I've driven it around on a short distance. The car feels really good. So let's look at the car's interior. You can see when they painted the car, they kind of left all the original paint on the door jambs. This interior is largely original. Very good top dash pad. A little bit of work needed on these. You can see those side outer crash pads need a bit of repair. The center switch plinth has been replaced. That's in great shape. Original dash is fitted with this wood alloy sport wheel. It's a Momo wheel, period fitting there. Carpets are great. They look to me like they've been replaced. They can't be the original. They're just way too nice. So, but these are the original seats. These are definitely the original seats. They need a bit of stuffing. You can see there's a little couple repairs here. You could probably get away with just kind of vinyl heat seaming those back together, and they'll be fine. But typical TR6 of this era, where the padding is just kind of slowly disintegrating in that back, and it's you can see here crumbs are ending up on the floor there. So the seats definitely need a restuff, but I think you can save these really nice original covers. Wonderful original top boot tonneau cover. The top on the car is decent. There's one tear in it if you look at the still photos, but it is shrinking, it is tightening up. So maybe a top is in order down the road. 94,885 we believe to be original miles. Pretty nice chrome luggage rack fitted. Let's take a look in the trunk here. Trunk has a lot of nice goodies here. Jack, wheel changing equipment, books, some tools, some nice records there. And like I said, that beautiful, beautiful original tonneau cover. So all these British cars, they should have been supplied with top tonneau and top boot. So this car's been well taken care of. It has all those original trim items supplied. Let's take a look under the hood here. I think this is a largely unrestored engine compartment. Yeah, so as you can see here, they've kind of cosmolined and kind of protected a lot of this. This is like a wax that'll come off. So they've cosmolined all around the edges here. You know, that was typical for the era for a car back east, just to protect all the seams and the edges. So that was a good thing. That's preserved it well. A couple new items on the engine. Engine runs pretty good. Still has the original air injection pump that's been disconnected. So so this car may pass California smog, but we're not selling it currently in California. We just we don't have time to smog it right now and tune it to smog it. So this is available outside California. But pretty pretty original engine compartment. You can see there with a little bit of TLC, it will clean up nicely, and you can actually detail a few things and make it a very attractive, you know, good condition engine compartment. So, but like I said, look at the undercarriage photos. The frame does need a couple spots repairing, but not really a big deal. Very typical of Triumphs for this era, but really good floors, really good inners and outers. None of that's rusted at all. But this car is real interesting that it is a factory overdrive car. It is a final year Tr6, and I like MIMOSA. I think it's a pretty attractive color to go out on the road with nowadays. So yeah, so there it is. This is our 1976 Triumph Tr6 convertible, final year, finished in MIMOSA yellow, black interior, black top boot, tonneau cover, 4-speed, factory overdrive car, chrome luggage rack, pretty good driver's condition car overall. And if you're in the market for a pretty nice little affordable running driving Tr6 in good condition, pretty good value here. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.